अपना ही तत्व वाल्मीकि रामायण में इस प्रकार से और पद्म पुराण में ऐसा बतलाया है। इसकी पुष्टि के लिए बतलाता हूं, वृंदावन में शंकर जी एक बार उपस्थित हुए और जोग माया ने उनको भीतर में नहीं जाने दिया, वृंदावन के बाहर में उनको रोक दिया। शंकर जी ने कहा कि मैं तो रासलीला का दर्शन करने के लिए आया हूं, आप कृपा करके हमको जाने दीजिए। उन्होंने कहा कि कोई भी पुरुष व्यक्ति चाहे वो ईश्वर भी हो तो नहीं जा सकता है भीतर में। तो उन्होंने आप जैसे कृपा करें तैसे हमको वृंदावन में पहुंचा दीजिए।
Was saying that we have to follow here त्रिभाषीय फार्मूला।
कुंड में डूबा दिया।
First regional language Bangla, then in Hindi and then in English.
स्त्री होकर के आए वो ईश्वर।
He was saying the place where we have come is called Harihar
यहीं से दूर से देख
Dham क्षेत्र, हरिहर क्षेत्र।
नहीं हुआ, लोग खोजने लगे।
This place Harihar is
यहाँ पर कोई विजातीय व्यक्ति
well known. It is a place of
खोजते शंकर जी को पकड़
Lord Shankar.
और पकड़
Maharaj was saying that Shiv Tattva is quite complex.
तो पति तो पूर्णिमा जी ने बतलाया नहीं, तुम्हारा घर कहाँ पर, गाँव
This
कहाँ है?
place
तुम्हारे
is
पति का नाम
however
क्या है?
far
तो
far
पति
better
तो
than
कोई है।
Kailash and Kashi
तुम्हारी मैया का नाम
which
क्या है?
is well known
तुम्हारे ससुर का
places
नाम क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं
as
बतलाया।
resident places of
सब लोगों ने मिल करके
Lord Shiva.
उनका गान
But
लाल
this
कर
place
दिया।
is, Maharaj was saying, far superior to those places.
तब जब रोने लगे तो जोग माया ने आके
Here,
कृपा करके
Lord Shiva
गोपियों
is
से और
permanently
खुशी से
present.
कहा कि आप कृपा करके इसको दर्शन देने के लिए
Maharaj
अधिकार
explained
दीजिए।
that
तब
when
उन्होंने
Lord
अपने
Ram
उनको अधिकार दिया और उनको कहा कि वृंदावन में
was
जो
in-
आएगा वृंदावन में प्रवेश का
when
अधिकार देंगे।
that bridge was
तुम
made
हमारी यहीं पर आकर के
by
सेवा करो।
all the
तो
monkeys,
शंकर जी को भी वहाँ पर
servitors of Lord
दासी
Ram,
बन करके उन्हें प्रवेश करना
to
पड़ा।
cross to Lanka.
इसलिए दोनों ईश्वर
At that
हैं, ये भी
time,
गलत है।
Lord Ram established a temple named Rameshwaram.
इसमें भी वैसा ही लगाना
There were
पड़ेगा।
many people,
गोपियों के
they
ईश्वर
became
ये
very
शंकर
happy.
जी
Oh,
नहीं है।
this is the temple of Rameshwaram, which means
इसलिए उनको
who is Ishwar of Ram. That is Lord Shiva, who is Ishwar of Ram. Because Ram has established this temple, so this temple is
भगवान की सेवा करते हैं।
temple of Ram's Lord.
और फिर यहाँ से
At that time, there were many demigods present. They came forward. They say, no, it is not like this. This place is not place of Lord Ram's Ishwar. But in fact, Shiva and Ram both are Ishwar. So this is Rameshwar.
जब लड़ाई हो रही थी
When this was explanation going on, someone saying Rameshwar is Lord of Ram, and demigods were saying that Rameshwar, Ram and
नरेश के पुत्र
Shiv both are Lord. At that time, Shivling, which was established by Lord Ram, it burst out and Lord Shiva came out of it and said, no, you both are wrong.
शरण लिया
Rameshwar means
काम में गए।
the temple of a person whose Ram is Ishwar.
आराधना करते हैं।
This is the temple of that person whose Ram is Ishwar. So Ram is my Ishwar, so it is my Rameshwar's temple. This is the way Maharaj was saying in Valmiki Ramayana and in Padma Puran and in different places where Lord Shiva himself has explained his own tattva.
जगत का ध्वंस कार्य इत्यादि कार्य किया।
Then Maharaj was explaining
योग्य जीव मिल गया।
how Lord Shiva wanted to enter into Ras Leela in Vrindavan. He tried but Yogmaya stopped him. And then he requested very meekly to Yogmaya, please let me allow to enter into Ras Leela. At that time, Lord Shiva got grace and mercy of Yogmaya, and Yogmaya asked him to take dip into Brahmand Brahmakund. And he came out as a very, very beautiful Gopi's form. But when he went into the Ras Leela and Gopi could not find enthusiasm in Ras Leela, so they started to find some Vijatiya Tattva, external element. And they found this Gopi, which was a new Gopi for them. They all started asking her that whose wife are you? What is name of your husband? What is name of your mother-in-law, what is name of your father-in-law? Then that gopi, that is Lord Shiva, started thinking, Yog Maya did not train me like this. She never told me the name of my husband, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law. She became quiet. She was totally puzzled. And then gopis started beating her, slapping her. And then she cried. And Yog Maya came to help her. That is Shiva. And then with the mercy of Shiva and Krishna, she got benediction to stay in Vrindavan in Gopeshwar form, and her duty was that she will have to check any external element from outside should not come into Vrindavan, or another way that Gopeshwar Mahadev will give sanction any person who will come into Vrindavan. Maharaj was saying similarly we have to make out the meaning of Gopeshwar. Some people say that Ishwar of gopis is Gopeshwar. No, it is not correct. The right meaning is that gopis are whose Ishwar. Gopeshwar means that Lord Shiva who has accepted gopis as their Ishwar. Further, Maharaj was explaining that when there was fight between Krishna and Pandru Vasudeva, at that time king of Kashi, where Lord Shiva is supposed to be living, king of Kashi took support of Pandru Vasudeva. At that time Krishna killed king of Kashi as well as the whole Kashi was burned to ashes. At that time Lord Shiva ran from that place and took shelter of this Harihar Kshetra. And from there he went to Odisha. I could not understand that name in Odisha. Kya naam? Ekamra Kanan, where in Bhubaneswar there is Lord Shiva is residing now. So Maharaj was explaining another tattva, that here Shankar is, when there is no any Jeev tattva qualified enough to accept the post of Shankar, at that time Vishnu takes role of Shankar. Here Maharaj said Vishnu means Sadashiv. Sadashiv himself comes here, who is Vishnu Tattva, and he plays the part of Shankar. Otherwise, Jeev Tattva, who is qualified enough, he takes the part of Shankar. So it is not at all advisable to equate Shankar and Lord. Shankar is always a dedicated devotee of Lord Shiva. That's all. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.